Hello, welcome to my channel Canvas. I am Swapun, a professional artist and the director of Canvas. Today I am here to give you a great news about the commitment of extremely effective online drawing classes and courses. We have already successfully guided and trained more than 25,000 students through offline classes in our last 20 years of journey. If you are interested in learning how to draw or further develop your existing drawing skills, you are in the right place. Here I have divided this course into 12 levels or modules beginning from kids level to senior most level. It's extremely helpful for those willing to take admission or enroll in reputed art colleges for higher studies, for fashion designing courses or for architectural courses. If you want to join our online courses, then contact with us in this number. For further information, check our description. So let's focus on the main work. Today we will learn how to draw a easy beautiful scenery of autumns. So first of all, we will start the first figure. Now we will draw a straight vertical line and a horizontal line like this. Now we will draw a oval shape for the face. For the body we will draw a curved rectangle shape following the gap. Now we will draw the dress. Here we will draw a inverted glass and complete the basic structure of the hands and legs like this. Now we will start the second figure. We will draw a round shape for the head. Here we will draw two curved lines for the body and complete it like this. And complete the basic structure of the hands and legs like this. So our basic structure is completed. Now we will complete the detailing with autumn's background. Finally, our composition is ready to color. For the color, we need to follow the light and shadow portion properly. Finally, our composition is completed, and I am recommending all of you that you should try it at home. I'm sure you'll enjoy the drawing. Comment me down how was your experience and whether the steps were useful or not. Thank you, dear friends. We will be back again with another new video. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning.